What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to apply columns into our contact form 7 forms build, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics, not just internet and sites favors. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do, it's see the why. Imagine this following scenario. By default, when you install Contact Form 7, it gives you this contact form right here, okay? It's a very simple contact form with name, email, subject, and message, and a submit button. However, it's quite boring. Imagine the following thing. You would like to apply other fields. For example, you would like to apply this name field besides this email in a 2 columns layout, and the subject into a single column and message into a single column to have the form not so tall, not so huge, okay? So how to do this using codes, but into a very simple way, simple as copy and paste. You have no need to be an HTML hero or mastering any kind of coding, okay? So we can do this without plugins, saving your time, and into a simple, fast, and effective method. And besides that, we're gonna learn a bit of HTML for free. So let's continue, okay? Very first thing to do is create the form, okay? I'm gonna assume that you already have the form created. If not, go to your WordPress dashboard, reveal the left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over plugins, click on add new plugin, search into the upper right corner next to keyword to contact form 7, just like this. Here is the plugin. We're gonna click on install, and after this you're gonna click on activate. And as soon as you do this, into the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard, you're gonna be able to see a contact. And by default, the plugin gonna creates for you this contact form. Normally the name is contact form 1, and here is the content. Nothing and absolutely nothing to do right here. All we have to do is go to page, click on add new page. You can type a name for this page. Can be a contact page. We're gonna click into this plus button to apply a block, and into this search field you're gonna search for contact and apply this option, contact form 7. Select the form, publish the page. Of course, you can apply this widget into any other pages of your sites or widgets or sidebar, okay, any place they want, and you're gonna have this result right here, okay? According to your theme, the theme that you are using, this style may change a bit, but the structure is exactly the same, okay? And how to create the 2 columns layout? First thing, move to your Google and search for how to create column in HTML. And you're gonna be looking for this guide right here for Educative, okay? Educative.io answer how to create columns in HTML. Here is the URL in the case that I want to copy. Scroll down just a little bit more, and here is the example for 2 columns, okay? We want 2 columns only, okay? If you want 3 or multiple columns, you can copy the code right here. There is output, but we're gonna click on HTML, and now we're gonna select all of this code, so Ctrl A or Command A and Ctrl V to copy. Now move back to our WordPress dashboard, into the contact form, click into the beginning of this label right here, type some enters to apply some space, and paste the code that just have copied, okay? You have no need to understand code. It's a quite simple, but no needs. The very first things we're gonna do is review the first part of the code. Class, raw, column, style. I'm gonna remove this background color. In the case that I want background color, you can keep it, but I will remove it later. But between this div and this div, there is content. We're gonna delete it, copy the first part of the contact form, and place it right here. Now I'm gonna delete it once again. Now I'm gonna do the same for the second part, the email, okay? Copy the first part, delete, and apply into the second div between the second column option. Now all I have to do is save the change. Let's see how does our contact form looks. As you can see, there is a background color on that, but we already have 2 columns. How to remove this background color? Once again, scroll down just a little bit and the class column style background color, we're gonna delete this part of the code and repeat the process into the second column. Just like this. Save the change. Let's refresh the page. And here is our contact form 7 with 2 columns for name and email. We can apply more columns, in the case that we'll go right here, copy the HTML code, and do the change following the same style. I know that code may not be the best solution, however, it's the easiest one and do not require you to install plugins, to keep updating things. It's a simple, effective option for your site and will not decrease the load speed, okay? And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes, our borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site, our Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want, our growth.net platform, a place where you can promote your site for free. You can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, or sites.gallery, that is a place where you can submit your game, your app, your website to get promoted, awarded, and connect with a growing blogging community. And in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, in addition to premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more things to create the site of our dreams. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I see you tomorrow. All the best!